Hello everyone, today we're going to go over the lithium battery diagnosis of the FE4P50N. This is a 5,000 pound lithium forklift four-wheeler truck. It's got a 10-year lithium cell warranty. So let's see here. To identify the battery, come to type and see that it's a GF battery. That's great. So next, make sure the truck is turned on. In this case, the truck is already turned on. The green light on the battery is on. That's good. We need to make sure that the battery is on at this point to do our presentation. So about the software for the GF battery, in the folder you'll see 4 things. So we will click the one that says upper setup. So we will install this software first. We will say yes to create a shortcut. After installation, we will check no, we don't want to launch it for yet. So let's leave it alone there. Next, we install the USB CAN all-in-one. This one's even easier. No choices really, just install. And done. Actually, in this very moment, this software is already ready to use. Whether you have Windows 10 or Windows 11, it's ready to use. So there's 2 kinds of cables that will work. The cable that I choose to use is a little bit more complicated. It's a 2-piece cable. One side is the USB port, and the other side is the USB debug cable connection. So I make sure that's snug and tight. It's a 2-piece cable because here there's a connection that you got to make. Coming from the USB side, you don't have a choice. There's only one connector. But coming from the debug side, you have 3 heads. In this case, the colors match. That's great. But in any case, it says CAN L, CAN H here. All of these will say CAN L, CAN H on all of them. But do your best to locate these 2 Chinese letters. Right there on the bottom. This one just means corrections, parameter corrections and changes. So once you make this connection, this cable will definitely work for what we want to do. Other than that, there's another cable that I've seen. It's a 1-piece cable. One side is debug as well, and the other side is a USB port. And this will work just as well. Once you got this connection started, we could just run the desktop icon that we had before. This will show up if we did the installation correctly. And once you got it activated, first we go to here to language to change it to English. If you ever see a menu come up, this just means that they want you to upgrade. Always click gray button, do not upgrade, and then go back to what you're doing. English. Now we'll change the menu to English menu. Submit. This is next the battery management system menu. It will tell you a lot of details. I'm not going to go over them one by one, but I think they will all make sense to a technician or someone who needs to inspect this battery. We see a total voltage of 53, and it looks like it's charged to 100% right now. I do want to mention that the 2 most important things you're going to need on this menu that I was told, of course, is 1, real-time alarm info. If there's any problems, this is where the information will pop up. And other than this, firmware upgrading. You may come here to install firmware, to upgrade the software overall. Yeah. This pretty much covers all of the GF installation of software. This will work on Windows 10 and 11, so if it does not work, please make sure and check if you have the right Windows, maybe at least the 10 or 11 on your computer. If not, let us know, and we'll see what we can do. Thanks.